Today we are going to learn how to index in a Microsoft Word for a cookbook. First things first, we're going to open up the document by clicking the File tab button, clicking the Open menu item, and finding where our document is. Here it's going to be in the O drive, under the EFLJ folder, and in my teacher's file, under Dr. Atkins or Atkins. After we have found our document, it's going to be under Cookbook for MS Word. We're going to open it up and start our indexing process. As soon as you get your document open, highlight each item that you want to be indexed and hit Mark Entry. After you have hit this, each heading that was indexed will be included in a bracket. After each bracket is marked, you can make a space at the top of the page where your index can go. You can also choose to have a complete new page for the index if you wish. Now we're going to hit the Click Index button, or Insert Index button. We can adjust the columns to whatever desired, 2, 4, 6, 8. Because this document is so small, we will not have that many columns. On the left-hand side is the Print Preview. This will show you exactly what your document will look like after you've inserted the index. You can also choose your own format, classic, fancy, modern, bulleted. It's up to you. We also have formal and simple. For this tutorial, we're just going to use the classic. After we've chose our classic, we'll hit OK. Our index will now be made. Each heading that's in the paragraph brackets will be shown in the index above with the according page number. Here, I'm showing you each of the headings that will be included in our index. After we are done checking everything, we're going to want to save it as an Adobe PDF file to ensure that all the formatting stays the same. Just in case you've made any changes, go ahead and click the Update Index button. And sometimes you will have all of the index highlighted, but it is nothing to worry about. Here I'm just trying to unhighlight everything. Clicking the Update Index to make sure. Now we'll hit the Home tab, the File tab. We're going to want to save it as an Adobe PDF. We do need to save it. So first we'll save it as a rich text format, a Microsoft document, whatever you desire. Click the Save button. And I need to save it into my own file. I'll put it in the school file, and the according class number. Then after I have saved this, it will also prompt me to save it as an Adobe PDF file itself. I do want to save it. And as it's converting it, I will minimize the Microsoft Word window. And I do also have a copy from earlier already open, which I will need to close out. The Accessibility Setup Assistant, you can just hit the Cancel button. I will close out of my old version and show you the new version. And now we have indexed